Ready.
Alright, I'm gonna do mine first. So I got the Mandalorian. I'm gonna open one up. Let's make it easy. So opening it up. Perfect. Put the tape right up top. Alright. Oh, did it open all the way? Okay, well, there it is. What is this? What's that? That's right. Pull all the way. Alright. That didn't do anything. Alright, I'm just gonna break the box here.
Yeah.
Okay. They really make it like if you close it and you open it, you can't. Oh, okay.
What's inside? Oh, what's inside? It's there.
This thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it says don't eat.
This one. Yan nakuha mo.
Cookies? I got cookies.
Yoda.
Yeah. No, that's not Grogu. Yoda. Wow. Horrible. We're gonna get canceled. Yeah.
Oh, how cute. It has a chair.
Yeah, that's a chair. Alright.
Wow. Grogu. The first one is Grogu.
Okay, second one. Give me. Oh, here.
Ayan, cute. Parang...
It's gotta be an easier way to open this. Either way, it's not, I'm not gonna keep the box.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh. Uh-oh. Something like this.
What is that?
I think it's another Grogu. Yeah, it's the other Grogu.
That is not what you expect.
Oh,
But it's both cute.
I'll take that.
Yung stick ito.
Oh, there's the stick. I was like, where's the stick? Is there a stick here? There's the perf. That's pretty cool. I'm okay with the Grogu's.
Which one do you want?
Oh, I got Mandalorian. Well, I'll take the flying Grogu. Is that it? The right way? Yep.
Oh, that's so cute.
I got two flying Grogu's there.
Let me open mine. I want the pink one or the yellow one. Ito nga ba yun? Either way.
Like that, yeah. So that way, and you just pull it up. Oh, that's how you do it. Which one are you trying to get?
The pink one.
It's a mint chocolate one.
Yung gusto ni Dexter.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Is it the one that Dexter wants? There you go. Oh,
Oh, there's a gun.
yeah.
Exciting nga pala to. Okay. Magkakano ko, no.
You broke it already.
Yung cute.
That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Here's your gun.
Kaya pala gusto ni Mary yung malalaki nito. Looks cool.
Looks like an angry, scary kid.
Bakit may plastic sa side?
Alright.
Remove the plastic.
Yeah, go and take out the plastic. Let's just enjoy. There you go.
Oh, that's cute. And then you can flip it up.
Okay. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Maybe we can do this up there. Nothing. It just looks like he's pointing. Okay. All right. One more.
Excited. This is so exciting. Yung pala yung alam mo yung feeling na nagbubukas, yung pala yung masaya dun. See? Now you know how to open the box.
Okay. We'll order. Or see if we'll order more. Okay.
Oh, there's another gun.
Oh.
Another chocolate.
What?
It's a Space Molly, but
Yeah.
it's a different one, of course, because it's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, it's mint chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Mint chocolate, and then this one is. Which one is this one?
Graffiti.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, ang ganda niya.
That's actually pretty cool.
Oh. Ikaw nga art nilagay ng gun.
Okay.
Ikaw na matumba. Ang ganda. Parang gusto ko i-collect si Molly.
Wow.
At least not scary.
There you go.
Ang cute, no?
Yeah. Now they can shoot each other.
Ah, nandito yung ano niya. Eh.